What does being part of the LGBTQIA plus community teach you about love and acceptance? Again, what does being part of the LGBTQIA plus community teach you about love and acceptance?
Good evening. To be a member of the LGBTQIA plus individual is really a hard thing. We are known for being a clown, joker, and entertainer. But you know what? Behind those smiles and laughters, we can't deny the fact that most of our members are being tortured, killed, and violated. And that's why I am so proud of my co-LGBTQIA plus members. The fact that we are being belittled by the world, but still we are standing firm and tall, showing to the world that we can do it when we unite as one. And I think one of the biggest lessons that I've learned to be part of this community is to be strong and resilient, because in the end of the day, what matters the most is the love that we give and memories that we create that what's really matter. Thank you and good evening.